Alright, what is up fellas? This is going to be a tutorial video. It isn't going to be anything exciting other than what you see in the thumbnail, that our new product is actually dropping. We are going to get off the bases first. Everything you're going to see is only for 14 and up bikes, so 2014 and up. Nothing's for 13 and down. Sorry guys, if you don't have that, you're out. We do more 14 and up than anything, and that's what we're going to stick with. The next one is everything is in black, so if you go visit our store right now for our front wheel kits, you might see a picture of a chrome one. If you see a picture of a chrome one, that's just because it's the only image I had and I just put it up there. But everything is black. I don't want to open the boxes up because then it's just a pain in the ass to obviously tape them back up. First things first, we have our fat tire kits, our 21-inch fat tire. If you don't know the differences, don't ask questions. Go back a couple videos. I gave the explanation of what the difference is in all the fat tires. This is a 21-inch fat tire kit. It's the same size as a 23-inch skinny tire, I'll tell you that much. So what you're going to get in this kit is you're going to get your triple trees. You're going to get your cut fork cans for the fat tire. You're going to get a raw wrapped fender. You're going to have to fit that fender before you paint it, make sure everything is good. You're obviously going to get your wheel, your tire, your dual rotors, which are 11/8, which are going to allow you to bolt to your factory calipers on there. The wheel, like I said, is black. Your fork cans are all gloss black, ready to go. Your fender you will have to paint. And then as far as your tire, it's a V-rubber tire. That's the only tire company that makes for fat tires right now, so that's your only choice if some guys want to complain about it or whatever. We haven't had any issues with them yet, so you know, no arguments there. I only have 10 of these kits, I'll tell you that much. Just to tell you this much, we have 40,000 on YouTube followers, 50 or 60,000 on Instagram, 50 or 60,000 on Facebook, so we only have 10 of these kits. They're going to go pretty quick. So jump on it now. The lead time on these kits are actually 13 weeks. So if you're going to order the same thing, wheel and everything, you're waiting almost three months for this stuff. We took a gamble. I ordered 10 at a time. I'm going to see how fast they go. If they go fast, obviously they should. I'll order them again and we'll just have to wait. You know, I get it a little quicker because of more quantity, but we'll keep doing it. So you only have 4 wheel choices when you go on our website, fbombbaggers.com. Go to the store. You're going to pick from those 4. I'm going to call you and verify you for 2 reasons. 1, to make sure you're not some scammer. Our system that we're using for our shopping cart actually verifies that a good amount. And then 2, just to make sure you know what you're getting and that you're ordering everything correct and all that situation. But one other reason is I'm not going to supply, well, I'm going to supply it, but it's not going to be in it, your ABS bearing. I need to know if you have ABS or non-ABS. I'll just call you, I'll ask you, I'll supply that bearing in the box, and then all you're going to have to do is tap it in or just take it to Harley, your dealer. I'm sure they can install it for like 20 bucks or something. So I just don't want to open the boxes. Like I said, they're wrapped, and once you do that, it has the chances, you know, of just ruining the box and everything. So that's the only thing we're going to have to do on that. Don't waste time, you know, to jump on it, because like I said, 13 weeks is a long time. This COVID stuff has driven the time and manufacturing up for reasons of you can't get it. You're limited on blanks when they're cutting them. Just everyone is spending their money. You ain't got no choice. Either order it now, you're gonna wait again, or we'll order it separate, and you know, same thing. You're gonna be about 13 weeks out. Next thing on our website is the same ass ends kits that you see on all our 21-inch fat tire bikes. We now have 8 of those kits available. So those are gonna give you the stretch side covers, the stretch bags. The bags are carpeted with a false bottom. You're going to get your stretch rear fender with your CVO bright lights and the harness. So we want you to fill all that, make sure it all fits up properly before you do it, and then you can send it off to paint. It's actually body primered pretty good, so your body guy won't have to spend a lot of crazy time on it to clean it up before he sprays it. But just check it, make sure it's all good and, you know, fitting well before you send it off to paint. Same thing with the wheel and tire, like I explained, and the fender. Make sure it all fits before you get it done. I don't remember, you know, we always recommend have someone, you know, professionally do it. You could try doing it yourself. We don't say to do it. I'm not going to recommend it. I would say have a shop by you do it. If you're local to us, I could try to squeeze you in a little bit of time here and get you in and out. Shoot us a text, 779-435-0849. Same thing, even if you're not local, you want to drop your bike off, we can you know, figure something out on that one. Last but not least is the Dirty Air full air ride kits. So those are all for 14 and up. They're all going to fit under your bag rail, so you're not even going to see anything. It's not going to affect your exhaust, your saddlebags, or anything. You could put it on a completely stock bike and you would never know the difference. So the only thing I'm going to call you, or I should say, that's the front. That is the fast front and rear air ride. So that's going to get you the same kit that we use on here. Basically, we're offering what we use on those bikes. That will get you the fast front and rear. It's going to get you the compressor, the tank. The only thing I'm going to call and verify from you is what size front wheel you have, because that will make a difference on it. So I have to supply different caps in the front. If you do want to buy, you know, the ass end kit or the wheel, or, you know, just a, you know, two more than one thing, I'll try to work with you and get you a break. Shoot us a text, 779-435-0849. Please don't call. Please don't blow us our phone. Please don't blow our phone up, because we're super busy doing builds. So I'm trying to do this on the side. It's best if you just text, and I'll get back to you. As of right now, we're only shipping to the US. If you're out of state or you're in Canada, shoot me a text and or email, fbombbaggers@gmail.com. I'll see what I can do, but I just don't have a lot of time to deal with that part. The shipping is going to be a flat rate for both the wheel kits and the ass end. So basically on the dirty air kit, it's free shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. The reason is because right now I don't know how to estimate it before it ships. So basically, if you know it's $175 to ship it, you have 2 boxes for the wheel kit coming. You'll have 2 big boxes. One has the wheel and tire and rotor. The other has the triple trees, the fender, and the fork cans. The ass end will have the bags in one kit, and the side covers and the fender in the other box. So if it happens to be like $40 too much, once I'm able to print out the label and do it, I'll call you and say, do you want a credit back, or do you want a t-shirt or a hat or something like that? Just, you know, be patient on that side. We're not gonna leave you stuck with the shipping if it is too much. I'll definitely, you know, let you guys know what it is. But shipping wise, we kind of went off what they get shipped to us and everything for. So I mean, it should be pretty close. But other than that, like I said, man, 10 kits, they're not gonna last long, so jump on it. Everything you need to know is in the other video, a couple back. It says what you need to know about fat tire kits or something like that. I think it's like 2 or 3 videos back. Jump on it, man, or else it's not gonna be here and you're gonna be salty. So, all right, peace. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment. All right, cool.